Looking for a keyboard that adapts to your lifestyle? The AN Pro 2 offers seamless wired USB-C and wireless Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, giving you the freedom to work or game without limits. Its large 1900 mAh battery, paired with a built-in on/off switch, ensures you get long-lasting use without wasting power. What really sets this keyboard apart is the ObinsLab Starter software. It lets you fully program your keyboard layout, customize function keys, control lighting effects, monitor battery life, and even update firmware, all from one intuitive platform. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, or Android, Bluetooth compatibility keeps you connected across devices. If you've ever loved the AN Pro 2 but wished for more flexibility, the redesigned firmware has you covered. It supports complete layout reprogramming and key remapping, so every key can become exactly what you want. The tap key functionality adds even more versatility. Keys like Right Shift and Fn1 behave differently when tapped or held, doubling your control options. Two main function keys, Fn1 and Fn2, can be mapped to separate customizable layers through ObinsLab Starter, letting you switch between setups effortlessly. This means you can tailor your keyboard to your workflow or gaming style without compromise. It's a level of personalization that serious users will appreciate. Users across the United States praise the AN Pro 2 for delivering exceptional value. One top review calls it the best keyboard they've used at this price point. While firmware updates can occasionally be tricky, this hasn't stopped many from recommending it and even convincing friends to upgrade their setups. The aesthetic appeal is just as strong as the functionality. The white model, for example, boasts bright, beautiful lighting that enhances any workspace or gaming station. It's a keyboard that looks as good as it performs, adding a professional, stylish touch to your desk. If you're ready to invest in a keyboard that offers both durability and extensive customization, the AN Pro 2 deserves a serious look. It's designed for users who want more than just basic typing, offering a powerful, flexible tool that grows with your needs. Worth a look if you want a wireless mechanical keyboard that combines style, performance, and full programmability. Try it when you're ready to elevate your typing experience with a keyboard built to keep up with you.